Hi friends, today I'm playing with colorful Play-Doh. We'll open surprise eggs and make sweet pretend cupcakes. Are you ready? Let's start slow. Look, a big red egg. Tap, tap. Crack, crack. Open. Wow, a tiny toy car. Vroom, vroom. Can you say car? Car. Now a blue egg. Squeeze, peel, pop. It's a little duck. Quack, quack. Hello, duck. Yellow egg time. Roll it in my hands. Open gently. Surprise. A star sticker. Twinkle, twinkle. Green egg. Stretch the dough. Stretch slowly. Open. A tiny teddy bear. Hug, hug. Great job, friends. Now, let's make Play-Doh cupcakes. First, the cupcake base. I roll a brown ball. Press soft. Pat, pat. Cup shape. Time for frosting. I pick pink. Roll a long snake. Swirl on top. Round and round. So pretty. Let's add sprinkles. Little dot of blue. Little dot of yellow. Little dot of purple. Dot, dot, dot. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Another cupcake. A mint green base. White frosting cloud. Plop. I place a tiny red heart on top. Tap, tap. Love cupcake. One more. Rainbow swirl. I mix tiny bits. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Twist together. Swirl, swirl. Rainbow magic. Let's show our treats. Cupcake 1. Cupcake 2. Cupcake 3. Clap, clap. You did amazing. If you want pictures and little videos, I'll pick them from pexels.com. Free and friendly. Now, cleanup time.